This video is to show the introduction to Google Slides. Google Slides is part of our G Suite for your Google Apps account. So when you get into your Google Apps account, you will want to click on the waffle. And once you're clicked on the waffle, you'll want to go to Slides. That will bring up this page that then you can start with. You'll want to start with a blank presentation, which is right here. You can click on that. And once that comes up, the very thing, as always, that you will want to do is to title your presentation. You want to title it with something that later on you will know what that presentation was about. So I'm going to title this one Computers, and then I'm going to put a dash, and I'm going to put my name. That's very helpful for me as a teacher with all of the different presentations and slides that I get turned in. It's very helpful to have that right there for me. So just to go through some basics, when I come in here, the first thing is you'll realize that Google Slides is very similar to PowerPoint, very similar to Keynote, and so this should go fairly easily for you. You'll see that in Google Slides I have a slide here and then I have a tile over here. Just like in PowerPoint and Keynote, to get a new slide, I click on the tile and I can hit return, and that will give me additional slides. To get rid of a slide, I can click on it and hit delete. That will get rid of the slide. The first thing you should always do, no matter which project you're working on, is get your typing done on the slide. That really should be the first part. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to call this, I'm just going to put example computers. You would want to give it a title that makes sense for your project, depending on what your project is. And then in here, you want to make sure you put your first and your last name. Formal projects, you need your first and your last name. Now, just like all of our other pieces, we can come in here on slide 2 and we can type in here so maybe it's something like that. And I can come in here, and up here you can see I have some different options. Maybe I want to add bullet points. If I want to, I can click on this, and these are the options for me. I can go ahead and type my information in there. All right, so I've gone ahead and put that in. Now, I can go ahead and I can highlight this. I can make it bold, underline. These are my colors, so I can go ahead and change the color of my font if I would like. All those same options, size. I can make it whatever size I want. Maybe I want to change the type of font in here. These are all things that I can do like that. Notice this is saving automatically. As soon as I give my project a title here, it will save automatically. I do not need to do anything else to get that to save. So that's a basic introduction to Google Slides.